Hey there, garden enthusiasts. Let's dive into the fascinating world of blueberries. Did you know that blueberries are not just a delicious snack, but also a powerhouse of nutrition? Today, I'll share some amazing facts about how they grow and their incredible benefits. First off, blueberries are native to North America. They thrive in acidic soil and need plenty of sunlight. These little blue gems grow on bushes that can range from a foot tall to over 6 feet. And did you know that a single blueberry bush can produce up to 6,000 blueberries a year? That's a lot of berries. Now on to how they grow. Blueberries start from small, bell-shaped flowers that bloom in spring. Bees play a crucial role in pollinating these flowers. Once pollinated, the flowers develop into green berries, which gradually turn blue as they ripen. It takes about 3 to 4 years for a blueberry bush to start producing fruit, so patience is key. But why should you include blueberries in your diet? For starters, they are packed with antioxidants, which help fight off free radicals and keep your cells healthy. They're also high in vitamin C and K and fiber, which is great for digestion. Studies have shown that regular consumption of blueberries can improve brain function, support heart health, and even help manage blood sugar levels. Talk about a superfood. And here's a fun fact to impress your friends. Blueberries were one of the first foods to be labeled as a superfood due to their high nutrient content. So, next time you're looking for a healthy snack, or thinking about adding a new plant to your garden, consider the mighty blueberry. Alright, that's it for today. If you found these blueberry facts as cool as I did, hit that like button and subscribe for more gardening tips and facts. Happy gardening!